But make her go back, then she'll.
Woo! Show me. What are you gonna do? What do you wanna do? Woo! Show me again. Raise your hands. Raise your hand. Woo! Okay, do it again. Raise your hands. Show me. What do you wanna do? Woo! Show me again. Show me. Woo!
Hold on, I gotta get back here.
She does it all on her own. Show Papa. What are you gonna do? Where do you wanna go? Come on, show me. Show me, what do you want to do?
She's staring at you.
Woo! Do it again. Show me. Show me. What do you want to do? You want to go back again? You want to go back?
Don't fling her back as soon as she puts her hands up. Like, kind of wait. Yeah.
Show me again. Show me again.
Last time.
Come on, do it one more time. Are you bored now? One more time.
2 hands, not just one, Lolo.
One more time. Whoa!
Wave bye, McKenna. Wave bye-bye. Help McKenna wave bye-bye, Daddy. Hey. McKenna, smile for Mommy. Say bye. Whoa, that's it. Hold on, let me get a close-up.